The first thing we'll animate is this bird over here. To have a better overview, we'll hide all of the rest of the layers and we'll focus on the ones that we're animating with. The way we'll do that is use this shy guy over here. I've already applied the shy button to all of the other layers that we're not using. All I need to do now is click this shy switch over here and they'll disappear. That doesn't mean they're gone, we just can't see them at the moment. So now we can work with all of the bird layers and animate them. The first thing we'll do, we'll parent the wings and the beak to the body, and we'll adjust the anchor points of the beak and the wings. We want the anchor points to be in a position where the wings will be rotating from. So we'll move that over there, and the same with the beak. We'll now add some rotation to the beak and the wings. Generally, I use 50 frames for most of my animation. If I wanted to go at a regular speed, not too fast, not too slow, and if I wanted to be a little bit snappier, I move down to 30, 20, or 10 frames. 10 or 5 frames I usually use for a pop-up, like popping up a sign or a speech bubble. We'll rotate this minus 15 degrees. We'll add some easy ease, and we'll rotate this 15 degrees and add some easy ease. You can add easy ease by hitting F9, and we'll add a loop to this. Alt-click on the stopwatch, then go to Property, Loop Out, and we'll change this to Ping Pong. A ping pong loop means the animation is being played back and forth between two keyframes. This is different to a cycle loop expression, where the animation jumps back to the first frame once it has reached the last frame and loops it from there. For a clean cycle loop, you would need at least 3 keyframes. For a ping pong loop, you only need 2. We'll right-click, copy expression only, and add this to the wing. Usually I use easy ease for looped animations like this. For other types of animations, I use 75% keyframe velocity. You can check the keyframe velocity by right-clicking and going to keyframe velocity. This is the influence that an easy ease has, and this is what it looks like in the graph editor. So it's quite regular. If we change this to 75%, you can see how the curve changed. It just slows in over a longer period of time, then speeds up, and then slows down again. Keyframe velocity determines how quickly your object starts moving or slows down. 100% velocity is the slowest pickup of speed. It will have a very steep curve, and easy ease is at 33.3%. If you copy an expression from rotation and want to add this expression to the same attribute to another layer, you just need to highlight the layer and hit Command or Control V to paste it. If you want to paste the expression to another attribute, you need to highlight the specific attribute you want to paste it to. For example, if the expression was copied from rotation, it will as a default be pasted to rotation on another layer, unless you specifically highlight, for example, position in this case. Let's add some animation to the body of the bird. We want to adjust the anchor point, and we want to add a position keyframe. We'll move 50 frames forward and move the bird down a little bit. We'll add easy ease, and we can copy this expression onto the position. We'll also add some rotation to the bird. This time we'll go forward 100 frames, and we'll add a rotation of 5 degrees. We'll add easy ease and copy the expression. We'll also want to shift the wings back a little bit to add some dynamic movement. We'll shift this back 20 frames by holding Alt, Shift, and Page Up. We'll also add some rotation to the beak. Now we have a bouncing, flapping bird.